Hi guys! Dito kami ngayon sa La Union. And this is my hometown, Balawan, La Union. Ayan. Let's go! After 11 years, I know, it's not only 11 years pala na hindi kami nakauwi dito sa aming probinsya. Yan. So dito yung aming bahay sa probinsya. Okay, you go. Hi to my vlog. Yan sila. Yun yung store ng Sipag. Kiko. Diba? Sarap sa probinsya. Masarap lang dito sa probinsya. Let's go. Dito yung mga kamag-anak namin. Dito yung mga pinsan namin. Yan sila, mga pinsan ko. Wow! Daming suha. Yun o, daming bunga. Sarap. Suha. Yan siya. Yan suha. So, bahay din ng pinsan namin dito siya. Dito kami lumaki sa bayan na to, sa lugar na to. Ito yung dati dito kami nangunguha ng isda dito sa ilog na to. Kaso ang dumi na oh. Nana. Madami ng kalat. Yun yung rice mill. Yan yung sa lupa na binenta ng kuya ko. Doon pinsan din namin doon. Dito. Oo. Siguro dito yata yung sa bahay nila yung pinsan din namin. Di ba may daan dito pa nila? Oo, dito. Oh, yun. Kagawad. Ito pala siya. Kaya nga, punta tayo dun. Now, it's already, what time? It's 7 o'clock in the morning. Walking exercise. Malapit lang pala dito yung court. Yan, ang bukid. Ang sarap sa probinsya. Wow. So relaxing. Daming ibon. Daming ibon sa tuktok ng ano. Ayun o, nagpapaaraw sila. Ay, lumipad na. Barangay San Pablo Nursery. Ayan. Dito yung court. Ano yung tanim nila dyan? Mais? Ha? Mais, no? Ano na, oh. Ilan to? 6. Idugtong ba hindi? O isa? O, ay hindi, 7 niya eh. Isa na lang yun, madali lang naman to.
San Pablo Health Center. Dito na malalagay yung ano niya dati.
Uy, wow! Yan. So, this is I Love San Pablo.
Sarang kita dyan.
Ito yung aming lugar.
Picturean kita.
Hindi.
Diyan ka video. Tara, halina tayo dito.
San Pablo, mahal ko.
Si Tita Ami.
Uy, doon ka na po eh.
Dulan yung may dadaan.
Ay, ang ganda. Yan. Ay, hindi kayo magpipicture doon? Oo nga. Ay, ha? Siya ba? Hindi kayo magpicture doon? Diyan. Ay, ay, ay. Exercise tayo. Hi, Pei. We're going to we're going to have a picnic later. Yes. Oh, I think we're going to cross the bridge there. Yeah. Yes, to the bridge. Yeah. Sige, isa-isa, anuhin ko kaya. Oh, di ba sabi? Ano bang sabi niya? Anong sabi niya?
Parang walang daan naman.
Ano ba?
Pira pa pa natin sarili natin.
Ito pala yung ano, rangtay. Okay. Go, go, go. Go, go, go. Kaya nga, ayan o.
It's a new day, and nothing's really quite going your way. Got bad news that's confusing. You got sad news that you're wounded. And it feels like the worst
Oh.
time. And we're a little scared and not fine.
Mais.
Prepared with no signs, but it'll be alright. You just gotta fight. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be. Angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams, and you feel like you're losing belief. Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong. When it all falls apart and goes wrong, when you feel let down and so lost, and it feels like you can't hold on. Well, damn it, you just gotta stay strong. 'Cause sometimes things go wrong, and one day everything's gone. But you can make it out and move on. So damn it, you just gotta stay strong. Know that it sucks and it hurts. It's like you've been cursed by the world at its worst. I'm sorry. I know you can't see it, but maybe all these things happen to you for a reason. So stay strong and push through it. Your willpower is everything you got. Don't lose it.
Yes.
One day things
What?
will get better. You just gotta get through the stormy weather. What about things happen to the best of us? It seems like they should be blessed. They just might be. Angels here as guests, teaching us to be our best. When everything breaks at the seams, and you feel like
That's all.
damn it, you just gotta stay strong.
Bye.